24 September 2013. Standing up on McAfee Knob. We've knocked out 16 miles. We have 4 more to go. It's a 20-mile day. It's toward the end of the day, around 1700 hours. And one last panoramic here. It's 4 miles of downhill. Gonna love it. Coming back over. I'd like to show you what we hiked today. Just a portion. Out there, right on that point, directly out, is a rock face. That's where Tinker Cliffs from the first video where we shot it. We came down this entire ridgeline and walked our ass up to McAfee Knob, which is where we are currently located. The end.